Happy Fabfitfun Tuesday. I just got in one of my Fabfitfun boxes, so we're going to get inside of this today instead of Friday. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Usually I do Fabfitfuns on Fridays, but I just got this box in. I've got a bunch of different ones coming in, so I wanted to get into it and kind of give you a first look at some of the products that could be coming in your Fabfitfun. We have our little game, and honestly, you can just scratch here and it will tell you if you won or not. There is a little coupon for Caraway. And this is one of their boxes that they put together that you could purchase on their add-on sale. Here is your sneak peek. And this was kind of their home or entertainment. Anyway, box. So in here is an apron. And this is by Sewing Down South. And I'm actually a little surprised because the material actually feels more like I thought it was going to be, and of course I didn't read what the material was, but I thought it was going to be more of what you would typically get an apron in, which is a more cottony blend. But this is more of like a, if you could wipe right off of there, not vinyl, but almost vinyl-y. It has these little straps that you can make it whatever size you need it to be, a little pocket. And this was one of the things in here I'd kind of gone back and forth that I wasn't really excited about because I do have an apron that I use. And I don't know a lot of people who use aprons, so I didn't know that I would be able to really give this away to somebody. But I actually think it'll be nice for summer and grilling. This was the other thing I wasn't excited about in here, and this is a set of 2 pot holders by Caraway. Now you could have purchased the skillet, I think it was a 10-inch skillet, in an add-on. I did not do that. I would have preferred it to be a box option, but that's just me. So you can put your hand in there like this. Doesn't really kind of want to stay in there very well, but they also make nice trivets. The Lemi Sea Moss liquid drops. This is in, I think it's in a honey, and this has organic Irish sea moss with D3 and biotin. There is how it looks. It's supposed to be really good for your hair and nails. Let's take a little taste and see. I think you're gonna put, I'm just going to take a drop. So there's a nice little dropper there. Oh, it doesn't taste bad. I mean, it's not the best thing I tasted, but it doesn't taste bad. Yeah, hair, skin and nail, mineral support, immune health, and brain health. There's instructions on there. It looks like, oh, I don't know, I can't read that. By Haps, there is a Wick Trimmer. Now I do have one of these at home. There is how that looks. But again, I do have one at home, so I am going to gift this for Christmas to one of my sisters. By Short Stories is the Macy Blackwell collection cheese knives. So we have, they're kind of a nice weight to them. And then the Macy Blackwell wood tiered app tray. And I did see Wendy over at Unboxings by Wendy Jean had gotten this and kind of showed hers out. It looked very nice. I was very excited. So you've got your little A-frame, and then back there shows you where it goes. So that's a nice size. I really like that. I think that's going to be very nice for Thanksgiving. So I'm glad to have this just in time for Thanksgiving. And then I'll probably bring it home because we'll have Thanksgiving at my mom's house. I'll probably bring it home and use it as a display. Plus, I do like appetizer spreads sometimes on the weekends when we're busy working. I'll put out like a bunch of appetizers we can eat, you know, throughout the day as we're doing work around the house. I really like, though, the kind of patterns on there. Very nice. And I like that there's not like some big name emblazoned in there as well. That is my curated box. Again, they did offer these for $59 in their sale. So you would get one item from each of the categories and you see everything right before. So if there were things that you wanted to add on, but then you were like, oh, that's adding up to too much, you could pick up one of these boxes if there were a lot of things in there that you wanted. I think I got 3 out of the 4 that they offered. I don't think I got the beauty box, mainly because I didn't really need the palette. I think I'd actually gotten that before and maybe even gave it away. Not that it wasn't nice. It was just more than I needed. There was like that little crossbody that was all full of rhinestones that was really just kind of like a fold over, almost wallet typey thing. I was like, I don't go anywhere. What am I going to do with that? So there's a lot of things in there that I really just didn't have use for. So I don't think I picked up that one. But I did pick up the other 3. And I did go back and forth with a lot of them, like this one. Like, should I just add on the couple of things I want? Should I get the whole box? I ended up just getting the whole box because when I looked at what my add-ons were coming to, it was pretty much cheaper just to get the whole box. All right, well, let me know your thoughts about this particular box. And did you put any of these things in your box if you're getting Fabfitfun, or add them on, or anything else? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me this evening, and hopefully I'll see you soon.